Jack didn't have a heart, he had a clock. The day he was born, his heart stopped. So they replaced it with something that wouldn't. A cuckoo clock, wound tight inside his chest. Tick, tick, tick. He was given rules. Don't run, don't panic, and never fall in love. And for a while, he listened. Until the day he met her. She made him laugh for the first time, and suddenly the ticking got louder. Tick, tick, tick. The gears began to shake. The little cuckoo started screaming. Crack. The clock shattered open. But Jack didn't die. For the first time, he felt a real heartbeat.